Hey everybody, welcome back to Shade. And today we're gonna see how far we could stretch this sirloin tenderloin steak. I love steak, but I also need to eat on a budget. So we're going to be pairing it with a lot of different things to make it stretch far. So I'm only gonna cook 2 of these. So that's about $5 for 2. And we're gonna pair it with some rice, some bell peppers, onions, turn it into fajitas, and then also do a side of more veggies. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys the recipes. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is take out 2 steaks, cut them against the grain. We're gonna make fajitas, so just fajita strips. Now for seasoning, we are going to use some African inspired seasoning, which is Maggi cubes and some soya spice. Really any type of seasoning will do. Garlic salt is usually where I go, and pepper. But in this one, we're going to do the African inspired way. And then you'll also want to top it with black pepper, just a little bit more salt, and then vegetable oil and crushed red pepper. You'll see I use that a lot in my kitchen. We like heat in this house, and it gives a good flavor. Next, you're just gonna get a skillet that's on medium heat with some oil in there, and then fry those up. And once they're done on one side, you flip them over and fry them on the other. This won't take long at all. You don't want to cook them for too long. You want them to stay fairly juicy, and we'll throw them back on there if you need them cooked anymore. So I have half an onion, half a green bell pepper, half of a yellow bell pepper, and I just season those with, again, salt, pepper, crushed red pepper, and a Maggi cube. So you're just going to put them back in that, oil and the juices from the steak, and you're just going to cook those down as well till the onions become a little translucent. Then you'll add back in the steak and stir those all together so all the flavors are yummy and delicious. And I also turned off the heat so they'll cook for a little bit longer on that hot skillet. So let's move on to the side. This side is simple, delicious, and super easy to just whip together. So first you're going to slice up your English cucumber. So if you get a normal cucumber, just maybe you'll have to use like 1.5 or 2. And so I had cut those up into crescent moons, and then I have 1 plump tomato, and so I'm going to chop those up into cubes, and then we are going to season it with some garlic salt, pepper, and lemon juice. If y'all need to eat more greens and you don't like eating salads, this is a great option for you guys. I'm not always the fan of salads, or I just don't have time to whip it all together. This is just a quick and easy side and tastes very refreshing and delicious. So next what I did is I warmed up some rice, and I have 2 small tortillas, and then I also have a larger tortilla. And so I just put that on there along with our fajita mixture. And you gotta always make sure everybody gets a fair amount of steak, onions, and bell peppers, because then people get mad. Unless you like extra onions, and people might not get mad about that. And then once those are evenly portioned, we are going to add in our side. Now, this made a lot of food. I'm not exactly sure how much it costs, just because I used, tortillas and rice. All of those come in packages. But I imagine all of this food was like $8 or less.
Hey, no, bro. I need space in this room. Boy. Bruh.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.